Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good, and today I am here with you for giving you a tutorial for using the Google Meet app. So children and teachers, we people have successfully finished up our online tests, and after the online tests, the children till 10th standard they have gone for vacation. Our principal sir has announced vacations for 1st to 10th standard from 30th May till 1st of July. But 11th and 12th standard they will be having their online classes. We'll be continuing with the online classes of 11th and 12th standard, and for that purpose now we have shifted our focus toward a new platform, toward a new system, which is the Google Meet app. Okay, so in this video I will be telling you how to use the Google Meet app, how to join a meeting, how to conduct a meeting, and how to take class. It is for both the teachers as well as for the children. So now we'll be starting with it. So children and teachers, first thing you need to do is to download the Google Meet app. So if you are having Android smartphone, you can download it through the Play Store, and if you are having Apple iPhone, so you can download it from the App Store. So wherever platform you are, you can download the Google Meet app. So here I've downloaded the Google Meet app. It is here. So I will open it. Okay, so after opening it, it will ask for your Google account. So with whatever Google account you are active, you can just sign in to that Google account and your meeting will start. So now you can see here two options are there: new meeting and meeting code. So what you can do, if you are a teacher and you want to start a meeting, you can click here new meeting. I am doing it here, new meeting. Okay, so now it is loading. Now you can see it is asking for the link to be shared. You can share the link, you can click here. Okay, here the option is coming share. So you can share this link through WhatsApp to your children. I am sharing this link with our 12th standard children. So this is how we can share the link. Now the link has gone to the children, and the children will be clicking on that link to join the meeting. Okay, so I'll come back here. I will see now it will be asking whosoever will be joining the Google Meet app will ask you for permission, so you can admit it here. Okay, so you have to admit everyone, and now the meeting is starting. So it is asking for permission as and when everyone is joining this meeting. So children, first of all I will ask you to mute your audio. Please mute your audio. Now you can see everybody is joining, and it is asking for permission from you every time. So this is how children can join the meeting. So I will request all of you to please mute your audio. Manoti, your audio is on. If you can mute it once. So now you can see those who all are joining the Google Meet app. So they are all listed over here, and they all have muted their audio as well as video. Since I have conducted this meeting, they all can see my video and they all can listen to my audio as well. So this is how children can join, and you can ask them to join. Now here second option is coming for message. Teachers, you can conduct your classes through this virtual platform. Now message is also there. So if you want to give a message to all the children who have joined here in the meeting, you can give a message here like this. Even we can ask from the audio, and later the children can reply through the message as well. So children, those who are present, please give a message. Those who can see the audio, those who can see the video and hear the audio properly, please give a message here. So now you can see they are giving a message over here. they can give a message, because they are listening to the audio. They are listening to the audio and they are replying through the message. Okay. If you want to share the link with more children, you can click here, and you can again share this link to others through WhatsApp or any other sharing platform. So now again I am here right now. 20 students have joined me in this meeting. Many more can join in this meeting. So you can see here their name is coming with which they are present on Google, and all of them has right now switched off their, they have muted their audio. So Pranav, if you can switch on your audio.
Yes, sir.
Pranav, are you able to hear me properly?
Yes, sir. The voice is clear.
And the video streaming, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, Pranav, you can switch off your audio.
Okay, sir.
Bakshish, if you can switch on your audio. Bakshish, is the video and audio clear to you? Dhruv Gupta, if you can switch on your audio.
Yes, sir.
Dhruv, is the video and audio clear to you?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, you can now switch off the audio.
Okay, sir.
So students, now you can ask me if you are having any doubt, any query, or anything you want to ask related to the Google Meet app and how our classes will be conducting. You can ask me through this messaging option we are having here. If all is clear, you can just give a thumbs up. So now you can see they are listening to the audio and they are replying like this. So it is very easy to communicate to the children. We can ask them to switch on their audio, and we can even ask them to switch on the video itself. If we want to ask some work from them, if we have asked them to make something, to have done some work, so we can ask them to show that work also through that video platform. So this is how it is working, and you can see the system is very smooth. Okay, video streaming is very good, audio is very clear. So this is by far better than Zoom, and now it will be our online teaching platform. Okay, thank you everyone.